Hey MB crew, Mona B here. So before we get into the video, make sure you turn on your post notifications so you're notified whenever I post a new video. Make sure you guys are following my vlog channel, which is Life as Mona B. It is my new channel, so make sure you guys check it out. It will be up in the iCard section above, and I'll link it in the description box below. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at Mona X Banks. So we're about to get into this hair. What's up under this hat? My hair is totally stale, so I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. So we about to get it together. Look at my head, y'all. Toe up. Toe up. That's the thing about short hair. Short hair, when your hair is short, it gets stale quick, and you have to kind of style it ever so often and refresh it ever so often and wash it and stuff like that. So I find myself washing my short natural hair a whole lot because it just gets stale quick. So that's what I'm going to do today. We are going to be trying some new products. Now, I've had these products since October and I just haven't tried them. So I got these at the Curls, Kinks, and Coils natural hair conference thingy. I'll link the vlog. You guys can watch the vlog when I went to that in Atlanta. But yeah, so this is the TALIAH WAAJID green apple and aloe with coconut oil, and I got the leave-in conditioner from the line, and they were demoing the Hold Me Down jelly, so I wanted to try it. It looked really nice on the girl's hair that they were demoing it on, so I was like, I'm gonna try that. I haven't used her products in a long time, so I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo my hair. I'll show y'all what I'm gonna shampoo my hair when I come back. But I just wanted to show y'all my hair before it's dry, stale, matted down to my head, looking crazy. So I'm gonna get it together. Went ahead and washed my hair. I haven't put any product in it, did anything to it. I wanted to wait until I got on camera to do that, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. I forgot to grab my pick, so let me get it. Okay. It was right in front of me. So here's my pick. So I'm just going to pick out my hair. Now I haven't put any product in it. It is still damp because I left my t-shirt around it. So we're going to go ahead and try the TALIAH WAAJID Green Apple and Aloe Leave-In Conditioner. So it says it seals in moisture with vitamins, fiber, protein for softer, smoother hair. It says directions. Can be used daily or at least 3 times a week to condition, detangle, and style hair. For wet hair, towel dry, separate hair into sections while spraying TALIAH WAAJID Green Apple and Aloe Nutrient Leave-In Conditioner onto hair. Massage into hair, finger through to distribute and style. For dry hair styling, instant leave-in conditioner, spray onto hair and style. Also, you can use this for deep conditioning as well. And then it says just, put a plastic cap on your head for 20 minutes. And then it says for daily styling, spray onto dry or wet hair and style. Style curls, twist and twist styles, etc. And you can use it to style your hair, and you can use it to refresh your curls. Spray onto previously defined curls. Use fingers to reshape curls. I do love this bottle. I like the bottles like this. Let's see. Okay, so I'm just going to spray some in my hand. This is what it's looking like. It does smell like green apple. I use coconut oil on my hair, but I'm okay with using it in hair products. So it is a watery consistency. Wow. It is... Let me just use some more. It is a watery consistency, as y'all can see. And the first ingredient is water. So it's really slippery. It's giving me a lot of slip. I'm just going to put that on my hair. It really smells like green apples. Wow. That's crazy. I like her leave-in conditioners for my hair because I have finer natural hair, although my hair does feel a lot thicker these days. But because they're loose, they're not as thick. And I like it because the other one that she has, I think it's the Shea Cocoa line. I like that one because you can use it on a regular basis. Okay, so in my hair, it does feel a bit watery in my hair, but my hair does feel moist and it's lightweight. Like, see, for me, I need a lightweight, a lightweight leave-in conditioner. I know some people like theirs thicker, so if you like a thicker leave-in conditioner, this probably will not be for you. But the thing I like about her leave-in conditioners is that this is perfect for refreshing your hair throughout the week because it is so light. Like, it's not going to weigh your hair down. Like, my hair doesn't feel weighed down. It doesn't even feel like I have much product in my hair, which is nice. So that means I'm not going to have as much product buildup. So I love that. And my hair feels hydrated. I was gonna like it, that's why I bought it. Like, I knew I was gonna like it. I love her leave-in conditioners. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead with some castor oil and oil my scalp. Since my hair is all oiled and I applied the leave-in conditioner, which I love, we're gonna try the green apple aloe with coconut nutrition hold me down jelly. And let's open it up. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It smells exactly like the leave-in conditioner, so that's cool. This is what it looks like. And it feels more like a cream than an actual gel. It doesn't feel like gel to me. And it says, oh, I didn't even tell y'all what it says it claims to do. It says, can be used for curl definition, slicking down wet or dry hair, for styling and hold, perfect for twist outs, updos, ponytails, roller sets, straw sets, and much more. Provides maximum style and hold without flaking or crunchy feeling. Okay, so of course you can dry it on wet hair and use it on wet hair and everything like that. So it does say it's enriched with vitamins, just like the leave-in conditioner, which is vitamin A, B, C, and E, fiber, protein, and antioxidants to achieve the strongest, healthiest hair. So off the back, it doesn't feel like a gel that I would use to like lay down my natural hair with. So I can already tell that this wouldn't work for me to lay down my natural hair. But it does feel like it would be nice for twist outs and braid outs and things of that nature, but definitely not to slick down your hair. So I'm just going to put it all over my hair, because it's not going to give me any flaking. Let's see. And it takes a minute for product to get into my hair because I have low porosity hair, so I really have to work product in. So I'm going to take a little bit more and I'm going to add it in just to make sure I'm hitting all the spots. Yeah, I definitely probably would not use this for ponytails or anything like that. Pretty much have it all in. So today I'm going to be using the old school method to get coils and everything. I'm sure you guys know about using a bristle brush to get your coils. And if you want to see another way that you can get your coils, I will link the video in the description box below, where I use a tennis racket to style my hair, so you can definitely use that method. But I just wanted to kick it old school today and use a brush. I know when I go to the barber shop, I still see like older barbers, not so much like the new school barbers, but older barbers use this on people's hair to do coils. So I was like, I'm just going to use it today, and I'm going to use the softer side, not the hard side. And you literally just go in a circular motion, and that's what you do. And your hair will coil up if you don't have access to a tennis racket, or if your sponge isn't working. This is just as good. You just want to go in circular motions. Wouldn't recommend using the harder side. Just use the soft side. Brush is kind of shedding. I'm going to go in with my tennis racket too. Get it more defined. The brush is going to give you more of a softer hold. Because I know some people were saying that they don't like to use stuff like this. So you can use a brush. But I have a more in-depth video and review on how I feel about using a tennis racket. So you should definitely go check that video out. And I just want to say, yes, I'm fully aware that there is a smaller version of a tennis racket and a whole other bunch of twisting combs out on the market right now. But let me just live with my tennis racket, okay? Yeah. So I like how my hair looks, is defined. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that you can use a brush if you do not want to use like a racket or a twisting comb or whatever the case may be. That is another option. So I am going to, since this is like a jelly, although it's not like a real gel, I'm going to see if I can lay down my edges with it. So I'm just going to zoom in. Let's see. Is it giving laid down baby hair? Oh, it's giving something. Hopefully y'all can see. This lighting is really weird today, so I'm sorry. Oh, it's giving something. Like what? Oh. Y'all, sorry about this lighting. I really don't know what's up with it today. But my hair is all styled. I really like how it looks. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys my last thoughts on the TALIAH WAAJID Green Apple and Aloe with Coconut review on these two products. I love these two products. Like, I love them. I feel like this jelly is so bomb. Like, it gave me definition. It is giving me hold that I like for my short hair, like to coil my hair and everything like that. And my hair is not hard, and my hair is super, super, super moisturized. So girl, you did your thing with this. This is bomb. Like, I absolutely love this. And it actually gave me enough hold to be able to lay down my edges, which I'm really surprised about. So girl, you did that. And especially because I have type 4 hair, so this is bomb. Like I said, I don't feel like this will work for like ponytails. Like if you're trying to do a really sleek bun or whatever with your natural hair, this probably won't be the product that you would use. But I mean, I can see how this will definitely work for twist outs, braid outs, short TWA hairstyles. Yes, definitely will be repurchasing this. I love the consistency. I like that it is not a traditional gel, and I really, really like this. So, and the fragrance is not too overpowering or anything. Bomb, bomb, bomb. The leave-in conditioner, absolutely love it. It's super lightweight. That means you can use this on a regular basis. You can also use it, it's multi-purpose, so you can use it as a leave-in. You can use it as a deep conditioner. I definitely will be trying that next. You can use it as a daily styler refresher. So you did your thing. These two products, absolutely love them. Yeah, I don't have anything bad to say. The packaging is bomb. I love them. Like, do y'all see my hair? Y'all seen how my hair was at the beginning of this video. Oh, and I forgot to tell y'all what I used to shampoo my hair. And I used the Aussie Moist shampoo. But this line does have a shampoo, so I have to check that out. But I am totally impressed. Like, do y'all see my hair? My hair is so moist. Like, it looks so good. Like, I didn't even have to spray no oil sheen on it or nothing. And of course, I did use some castor oil, so that may be contributing to it. But I love it. My hair is not hard or anything. My hair isn't flaky. You don't see any white residue. So I'm giving these products an A+, both of them. Love them, love them, love them. So y'all will be seeing me use these in my up and coming tutorials. I cannot wait to use these products as my hair grows out, because like I'll be able to do a twist out and stuff and really let y'all know how I feel about them when my hair gets a little bit longer. But for right now, love them. If you guys want me to do more product reviews, let me know in the comments what like products you guys would like me to review, and I can see what I can do for y'all. Let me know if y'all have tried the TALIAH WAAJID, the apple and the green apple and Aloe line. I really like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye.